Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel English Developers. Friends, in this video we are going to learn the poem A Teenager's Prayer. It's chit chat and English explanation and workshop from 10th standard textbook. So friends, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon to get our latest video updates. So let's get started our video. A Teenager's Prayer. The central idea of the poem. Teenagers age between 13 to 19. Teenage or the adolescence is a very important age in everyone's life because it decides the fate or the future of the person. If they go on the right path, it makes their life, as we as others, live better. But if they go on the wrong path, it is very difficult to bring them back on the right path. Teenagers are always having learning and this creative mind, and a few with a lot of vigor and the strength. They are always eager to do the things which may be new for them, and in that eagerness sometimes they might go on the wrong path. The poet tells that God can show him the proper way to the teenagers. The God in the poem is the symbol of the person's inner mind, or maybe his family or society, where he learned to differentiate the right or just thing against the wrong things. Stanza number 1. Into the stanza number 1. Each day brings new beginnings. Decisions I must make. I may only want to choose the road that I will take. In explanation, here the poet speaks as if he is a teenager and wanted to tell the condition of the mind of the teenagers at the very delicate time of his life by saying I, means the teenager have new beginnings each and every day and new things to do. He tells us that we have to make new decisions about whether they are easy or difficult ones, ourselves to choose them firmly, and we have to decide what way we are going to walk further. Now stanza number 2. I can choose to take the road of life that leads to great success, or travel down the darkened road that leads to great distress. Explanation. Poet is just trying to tell us the dilemma of the teenager's mind. The teenager has many things in front of him. He has to choose between the two. One path can lead him to the great success if he goes on the positive and right way with great thoughts, and the other road can lead him to the great distress and gloominess in life. Now stanza number 3. Please open up my eyes, dear Lords, that I might clearly see. Help me stand for what is right. Bring out the best in me. Explanation. Here the poet or the teenager requests God to make him the wise to see the things clearly without any partial thought or views, to listen to his inner voice. He just wants to get the help from God to walk on the right path, or way to be right and to do right, as he wants to bring out the best from within. Now come to the stanza number 4. Help Lord, just say no when temptations comes my way, that I might keep my body clean and fit for life each day. In explanation, the teenagers want some strength and power to avoid the temptations. He doesn't want to become a weaker in tempting situation. The temptations of the things which might take him to distress. He wants help to be clean and strong psychologically, as well as clean from within, that is his body and soul, by remaining away from tempting things or the bad things which are always there in the teenager's life. Now come to last stanza, number 5. When my teenage years are over, I know that I will see that life is live its very best with you walk next to me. Now in explanation, when I will, the teenager says that when I will grow young, living away from my teenage, I will be happy to know the life I live in whatever age it is. It is the best with great things and the great deeds of success. And I know it's only because of you, the God, because you show me the right way or path or road to do the right and just things. This poem written by the J. Morse. Now it's chit chat, warming up and chit chat of this poem. One number from groups of 5 to 6 and discuss, give the ratings of 1 to 5 to each of the following. When you have to take important decisions, what do you generally do? बघा 5 ते 6 विद्यार्थ्यांचे गट करायचे आहेत आणि पुढील मुद्द्यांची पसंतीच्या क्रमाने प्रतवारी ठरवायची आहे. तुम्हाला एखाद्या तत्वाचा किंवा महत्वाचा निर्णय घ्यायचा असतो तेव्हा तुम्ही काय करता? एखादा महत्वाचा निर्णय करताना इम्पॉर्टंट डिसिजन्स म्हणजे महत्वाचा निर्णय घेताना तुम्ही काय करता? जसं बघा, पहिला आहे कन्सल्ट पॅरेंट्स अँड एल्डर्स, दुसरा आहे कॉन्टॅक्ट फ्रेंड्स फॉर ॲडवाइस किंवा प्रे टू गॉड फॉर गायडन्स किंवा थिंक डीपली इन सायलेन्स किंवा आस्क युअर टीचर्स फॉर हेल्प किंवा टॉस अ कॉइन टू डिसाइड. याच्यामध्ये फर्स्ट नंबर येईल बघा डी, थिंक डीपली इन सायलेन्स. सेकंड, कन्सल्ट पॅरेंट्स अँड एल्डर्स. थर्ड, आस्क युअर टीचर फॉर हेल्प. फोर्थ, कॉन्टॅक्ट फ्रेंड्स फॉर ॲडवाइस. फिफ्थ, प्रे टू गॉड फॉर गायडन्स. अँड सिक्स्थ, टॉस अ कॉइन टू डिसाइड. लाईक दॅट. Now second, in poetry very often there are lines in which the poet seems to talk directly to an absent person, an abstract idea or things or object. Such a tactic device used by the poet is the figure of speech apostrophe. For example, twinkle twinkle little star, death fair is the things. O caveman, I wish I could live with you. Now complete the following, creating examples of apostrophe of your own. बघा, बऱ्याच वेळा कवितेत लिहिलेल्या ओळीमधून कवी एखाद्या अनुपस्थित व्यक्ती, अगोदर किंवा अमूर्त वस्तू किंवा कल्पना, परमेश्वर, मृत व्यक्ती इत्यादींना संबोधून उद्देशून बोलत असतो किंवा विधान करीत असतो. अशा विधानालाच कथनाला फिगर ऑफ स्पीच म्हणजे अपॉस्ट्रोफे म्हणतात, अलंकार म्हणतात. आता बघा, तुम्हाला पूर्ण करायचं आहे जसं इथे दिलेलं आहे तशा पद्धतीने. जसं ट्विंकल ट्विंकल लिटल स्टार दिलाय, दुसरा डेथ वेअर इज द स्टिंग दिलाय, ओके मॅन ते दिलेलं आहे वाक्य. आता पुढचे करूया आपण वाक्य. ओ लाईफ हाऊ, अँड आन्सर इज बा ओ लाईफ हाऊ स्ट्रेंज आर युअर वेज. सेकंड, Dear God, please keep me calm in my difficult days. Third one is books. You are my dear companions. Fourth one, Fourth one about exams. I wish you were never there, never. Oh, you beautiful sky, send all your beauty to the earth. अशा प्रकारे आपण ते कंप्लीट करू शकतो. नाउ लाईक दॅट. नाउ कम टू मार्जिन क्वेश्चन्स. Margin questions. First question is, what is the age group of the speaker in the poem? Answer is, the age group of the speaker in the poem is 13 to 19. Second question, what decisions does the speaker have to take? And answer is, choosing the right path of life lying before him. Third question, what is the age group of the speaker in the poem? Answer is, the age group of the speaker is in the poem is the 13 to 19. What decisions does the speaker have to take? Answer is, choosing the right path of life laying before him. Second, deciding if to choose the road that leads to success or to great distress. Next, what does the each new day fetch? Each day fetch new beginning. Each day fetch new beginning. Next question, how should one react to temptations? Answer is, the person should strictly say no to any temptations that comes in his way. Next question, what effects does the speaker wish to see in himself at the end of his teens? Answer is, the poet wishes to company of the god because by the time his teenage years are over, he will know that the life he lived under the guidance and the help of the Almighty Miss God was the best. Next question, in what condition does the poet wish to maintain his body? Answer is, the poet wish to maintain his body and keep it clean fit each day when temptations attract him to do anything bad or wrong. Next question, whose company does the poet wish for in the walk of life? The poet wish the company of God in the walk of life. Next, now English workshop. First is choose the correct alternatives and complete the given sentences. Choose the correct alternatives. म्हणजे बहुपर्यायामधून एक पर्याय निवडायचा आहे बा. ए आहे, अकॉर्डिंग टू द पोएट डॅश डॅश आर ब्रॉट बाय ईच न्यू डे, न्यू बिगिनिंग्स और न्यू एंडिंग्स. आंसर इज न्यू बिगिनिंग्स. Means the according to the poet, new beginning are brought by each new day. B, we must decide to take the road which leads to dash dash dash, great distress or great success. Answer is great success. means we must decide to take the road which leads to great success. C, the poet prays to the Lord to help him stand for what is might or right. Answer is right. The poet prays to the Lord to help him stand the what is right. D, the poet wants to see that his teenage years have been the dash dash years of his life, worst or best. Answer is best. means the poet want to see that his teenage years have been the best years of his life. Now second, find and write the pairs of rhyming words from the poems. First is make, take. Second is success, distress. Third is see, me. Fourth one, way, day. Third question, what is the rhyme scheme of the poem? Choose the correct one from the following option: A B B, A B C D, A B C B, or A B B A. And answer is A B C B. means rhyming scheme of this poem is A B C B. Now question number 4, match the lines in column A with the figure of speech in the column B. Answer are given by, first is decisions I must make. This is the answer by, answer is inversion. This is the figure of speech is inversion. Second, please open up my eyes, dear Lord. This is the example of apostrophe. third one is travel down the darkness road. Travel down the darkened road. This is the example of alliteration. And last one, I can choose to take the road of life. This is the answer of metaphor. Now question number 5. Elements of the planning at an interview group activity. From group and discuss each elements of the planning an interview and prepare note on each element. For example, first have format or structure, second size, length or how many much, the do's, don'ts, rules and regulations. Last one, types of question, yes no questions and WH type questions. Answer: first, format. A, introductory questions. B, probing questions. C, conclusive questions, message, future plans, etc. Second, size or length. A, around 8 to 10 questions should be planned. Second, is around 8 to 10 questions should be planned. Third, do's or don'ts. A, do not ask personal questions. B, do not ask close-ended, that is yes no questions. C, research on the topic the individual to be interviewed beforehand. D, ask about the aspects related to the topics or profession and make use of WH questions to have a free following conversation. Fourth, type of questions. Preferably ask questions that will yield qualitative information. Avoid questions that give you yes no answers unless it is added on to another questions that would ask your details. This is the question number 5. Now question number 7. Read the poem. Write an appreciation of the poem in about 12 to 15 sentences with the help of the following points. Answer is title. The title of the poem is A Teenager's Prayer. Second, poet. The poet of the poem is J. Morse. Third, figure of speech. The figure of speech in these poems are apostrophe, inversion, metaphor, etc. Rhyming scheme of the poem is ABCB. And last one, theme or central idea. The theme of the poem is teenager's dilemma about making the right decisions. The responsibility of the choice falls full of him or her, or wrong decisions may ruin the whole life. Hence the teenagers in the poem prays to God for his help and guidance. Now question number 9. Look around in your vicinity, your family, friends, neighbor, classmates, etc. and write about any 4 teenagers who have made a name for themselves by doing something extraordinary. Teenagers ground names, special, extraordinary task, things, performance. Like, but it answer दिलेला family. First is family. Vishal. Vishal, name of Vishal, special or extraordinary task or things perform done. Vishal, healthy young boy, bodybuilder was his passion. Train hard work, took part in various competitions because Mumbai became a Mumbai Shri at the age of 20. Opened his own gym, trained many bodybuilders, they won many titles, became rich and famous. Second, friends. Meera, disabled, lost a leg in an accident. Prosthetic leg at the age of 50. She excel in studies. After graduation, She appeared for Maharashtra Public Service Commission's exam pass at first attempt, ranked 5th among all, became a Tahsildar work for common man. All people love and admire her administration. Third, neighbors. Yashraj, special child born blind, inclined to music since childhood, distressful life, did not give up, used to listen to song on transistor and TV. Practice, learn harmonium, guitar, tabla, etc. Sang classical songs, master every type of music, arranged many concerts. Today he is a famous music director at the age of 30. Now fourth, classmates. Jacob, wealthy family were in big business. Father wanted him to get into business, but he wanted to change the face of village. Adopted some backward village, worked selflessly with a poor and needy peoples with great patience, perseverance and sacrifice. Did his noble work brought transformation in their life, improve their orally quality or life. He is respected as God by the villagers.